What's with all these wrinkles? I'm getting old and unattractive.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Tonight with Travis. So today with us we have a very special guest. His name is Johnny Bravo. Johnny Bravo?
Hi.
Johnny, hi.
Thank you for having me.
How are you today?
Not too good, honestly.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Though I'm pretty sure that you're young at heart, but I think you do look a little bit older than you're supposed to be. Let's share your problem.
But honestly, Travis, right now it's the stress of work and my personal life that's taking a toll on me. And once I retire, I would definitely want to get a grip of my life again and also maybe feel and look younger again.
Worry, Johnny. We have our new and latest anti-wrinkle cream by Prudential. It will solve all your problems and it will really work too.
Really?
Well, now let's take a look at testimonials from our satisfied customers.
As you can see, I look vibrant and younger after using the anti-wrinkle cream. Even with the burden of workloads and additional problems, I still have the time to plan the future ahead confidently. I'm looking forward to a new day positively and my morale is sky high.
Wow! And for our viewers, you can also get this miraculous product sitting in the comfort of your own home.
Just loosen your fingers and log on to the website to reserve a happy retirement and a secure future. So what are you waiting for?
Thanks, Prudential. Not only my wrinkles are gone, I've got my life back.